Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. I am actually going to insert footage now from yesterday because I made some chocolate truffles from the little mix that Herbalife gave me, so I'll insert that now. Crazy puppy! Crazy puppy! Crazy!
iPhone launch, that was a massive thing, wasn't it? You didn't need a manual.
Yeah.
You just looked at it.
Me and David are just about to make some chocolate nutty truffles courtesy of Herbalife. Thank you very much for sending over like the little ingredient set. It's honestly like so stunning. All of their PR packages at the minute have been killing it. They've put so much effort into it and I've really appreciated it. But yeah, this isn't paid for. I just thought I would include like a little segment of me and my brother making the truffles. Oh look, he's come to join us. Hey Bunny Bear. Bunny Bear. Oh, I love him. But yeah, we're going to make the truffles now. It's literally only a few ingredients you need and we'll show you how we make them. Hopefully they turn out good. We're going to refrigerate them and then try them tomorrow when I properly start this vlog. So if you haven't actually seen, Herbalife kindly sent me this little kit. I have the protein bar somewhere. I think they might be in my room. But we've got dates, which I'm not actually going to be adding to the mixture because me and David do not like dates, do we? And then we've got these, which are my favourite, which are the chocolate peanut protein bars. Can you see them there? Chocolate protein bars there. We've got all of this stuff is from Whole Foods apart from the Herbalife bars. We've got some coconut oil, which I'm very excited about. And then, because I'll probably use this as well as making these truffles, I'll probably use this for other benefits, like for my hair and nails and stuff, because I know this is such a versatile product. Then we've got some cocoa powder to coat the truffles when we're finished. And then finally some red skin peanuts, which I love, so I'm very excited. We're going to start making them now. My dad and my nan are going to share these so we get some use out of them because I'm not a fan. Oh, sorry, Barn. Just threw Barney's stuff all over him. I'm going to read out some information about the nutty chocolate truffles after I've made them, but it's basically just as like a healthier Easter snack over this period where everyone's like eating loads of chocolate. I have eaten a lot of chocolate, but I thought this would be good for when I'm revising. Like I might take them to the library for me and Megan to snack on whilst we're doing revision for exams and studying and stuff. So that's why I'm making these now. So yeah, thank you very much again to Herbalife because I wouldn't have thought to do this myself. First thing I'm going to do is place one of these protein bars and coconut oil into the microwave. I'll put the ingredients, the measurements and the method all in the description down below so you guys can recreate these if you want to. If you end up doing that, please message me on Instagram because I'd love to know. I'd love to know if any of you guys decide to recreate them. I'm fingers crossed hoping these are good. I should have asked Carrie, but she included dates in hers and I'm just not about that life. So, right, I've got one of these bars. These are honestly incredible. Yeah, I'm going to break one of these up. I need 20 grams of this. I don't know how much 20 grams is. I'm really bad at like guessing. No! Don't know why I'm so proud of myself, but I literally just put a scoop in, like saying all that, and I got it exactly on 20 grams. What a genius. I'm good at baking, I just can't cook. Right, so I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for how long? On a medium heat for 2 minutes. Barney loves like to sit and like sleep on your feet if you're like standing up in the kitchen like cooking or making anything. He's literally just lying on my feet sleeping. Right, so since we don't have a...
I thought you meant you were going to do something with a dog, and I was like, why have you got that?
Since we don't have a blender in the house, Dad's using his club hammer
and tea towel.
Yeah, and tea towel to crush up the peanuts for me. So,
right, hang on,
if this isn't dedication, I don't know what it is. Let's go, puppy. You're not going to like this sound. Yeah, we're going outside to do it because you can't do it in the kitchen, it'll break the surfaces. Can't believe the extent. Thanks, Dad. This is a situation. Yay! Yeah, that's exactly what we wanted. I think I'm gonna have another go at these another time because look, I only got 3 truffles out of it, but I'm gonna try them tomorrow. This is not sponsored at all, but I mentioned this on my main channel the other day, and I thought a lot of you guys might wonder, or this might be useful for a lot of you guys who watch my videos. But basically, I've downloaded this app called Hold, and I've managed to earn a lot of points so far, but I've got an invitation code that you can use down below if anyone wants to join, because then we can like try and beat each other and it'll be a little bit of fun. But basically, you just hold this down. If you spend 20 minutes not using your phone, then you get 10 points, and then the more points you get, the more prizes you can get. But at the minute, I've like earned like 230 points, so I can get free popcorn next time I go to the cinema. There's loads of different bits and pieces you can do on here, but like I said, this isn't sponsored. I just thought a lot of you guys might be interested and want to like challenge me, and we can try and get to the top of the leaderboard together. It'll be really fun. I'm really wanting to buy this, and now I've got enough points to do so I might get it. But yeah, lots of new bits are coming soon. That's going to be a dream, because I always study in Cafe Nero at uni. So yeah, if anyone's interested, use my little invite code down below. I didn't realise I had one, but yeah, go for it. But today, me, Megan and Lucia, one of our friends from home, just come out to the library today. We've been doing work all morning, so here is the footage of that now, followed by clips of our food because we're back in Costello Lounge, and I'm buzzing because we're getting pancakes again. We've treated ourselves to some pancakes after a few hours of revision. So I've got a lot more done of my cue cards, so I'm pretty happy with that. Getting the new work shoes.
It's a no from them.
Right, so I am back home after a very busy day. We spent some time in the library, a few hours in the library. We were using the Hold app, which has been so sick, and I've got so many points on it. I can't wait to get all my freebies. But my competition should be up with them in the next couple of days, which is really exciting. I'm actually able to work with an app that I've been like addicted to over the past couple of weeks. And then we went to Costello Lounge for food, which was delicious. If you're ever around, like, you have to go to Costello Lounge because the food is super yummy, and it's just like a really nice atmosphere in there. I've done lots of revision in there before with my boyfriend, and it's just super nice to work in. And then we went to Rushton Lakes because Megan needed to buy some work shoes because we're working Thursday, Friday and Saturday this week at the job that we work in every summer. I've been working there since I was 16, so it's like something that I can always go back to, and they're all super lovely there, so I'm really excited to go back. But I'm not excited for the long 12-hour shifts, but it's going to be worth it. I need the money. So yeah, we sorted out Megan's attire for work, and then we went back to Megan's, watched a bit of YouTube, and then cracked on with some more revision. So it's been a very jam-packed revision day. I've got a lot done, more than I was thinking of doing, so I'm really happy about that. But now I'm just going to sit in bed, catch up on Towie because I haven't seen the last 2 episodes. I love trashy TV like that, so I'm just going to indulge. Also, I mentioned Dairy Girls in my last vlog, and I think a few of you guys are a bit confused because some of you who are watching me are Irish and you didn't realise I'd like you didn't think I'd understand the humour. And basically my boyfriend's mum is Irish, and she like, we've been watching it with her, and she obviously gets all the jokes because she grew up in Ireland, she lived in Ireland, she went to school in Ireland, so she explains any jokes that we don't get. But to be honest, we get most of them because I've been with Aidan for almost 6 years now. Him and his brother always talking like a Northern Irish accent, so I can understand the accent very well. Like my mum struggles to like understand what they're saying and stuff. But yeah, I'm quite good with it and the humour, and obviously I spoke about last time that we studied the Northern Irish conflict, so I sort of know a bit of the history behind it too, so just thought I'd mention that as a little side note, because some people thought I wouldn't get the humour, and yeah, I absolutely love it. I'm going to probably watch more episodes of that if I get through these 2 episodes of Towie, but to be honest, I'm knackered after this really busy day, so I might just hit the hay and go to bed. So I will see you tomorrow for a very fun vlog. Thank you very much for watching this little chilled vlog. Hope you enjoyed my baking disasters and just lots of revision studies and stuff. Make sure you subscribe to my main channel to see all my recent content, because I've been working a lot on stuff over there. Hit a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you very soon for a brand new vlog. Bye.